Hello everyone, welcome to the Chinese course on TLEAK. I'm Yao Songmei. So happy to see you again. In our last lesson, we learned 4 compound finals, and they are I, A, Ow, O. Do you still remember? Now it's your turn. Today we are learning another 5 compound finals. Ya, ye, wa, wo, yue. In our last lesson, we learned that the main vowel is the one who comes first in the order of 6 simple finals. So I will read the 5 compound finals slowly. Can you find the main vowel for each one? Ya, ye, wa, wo, yue. Can you see the difference between these 5 and the 4 we learned last time? Yes, each main vowel of these 5 finals is the second letter. So that means the second one should be pronounced louder than the first one. Also, as I said in our last lesson, even if they are combined by 2 simple finals, they are not just pronounced as 1 plus 1. So better to regard them as totally new ones. Okay, let's start with the first one, ya. Pronunciation is a transition from E to A. E is short and quiet, while A lasts long and loud. Follow me to read with initials. 家 tia, xia. Well done. Next one is ye. Pronunciation is a transition from E to E. E is short and quiet, while E lasts long and loud. But you can see here, letter E is pronounced E because we don't actually use it when we learn Chinese, so we don't discuss it alone. Let's try with some initials. 接 切 xie. Good job. The third one is wa. Pronunciation is a transition from u to a. U is short and quiet, while a lasts long and loud. Follow me to read with initials. 瓜 夸 花. Pretty good. Alright, next one, wo. Pronunciation is a transition from u to o. U is short and quiet, while o lasts long and loud. Let's read with initials. 郭 core, core. Ta-da! Last one for today. Yue. Aha, you see, it's e again. Just memorize yue as a new final. It will be easier. Pronunciation is a transition from yu to e. Yu is short and quiet, while e lasts long and loud, and lips a little round. Let's read with initials. 撅 缺 xuan. Well done! You're really great. It's quiz time again. See ya!